Hi, all. Myself Amal Dev. I am recently completed the spoken English course at Britfort Academy. My trainer name is Manal. I had a great experience with her, and each and every sections were interactive with a strong focus on practical communication and fluency. And her teaching style is very approachable. After completing this course, boost my confidence for English communication, and I think this course is very helpful for me. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, Britport.
Hi all, I'm Safna from Edappal, Malappuram district. Currently, I'm residing in Saudi Arabia. I'm a part of ACME Batch 27. First of all, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Jessina ma'am for your continued support and encouragement. You given me the confidence and my grammar was improved a lot. Thank you for always being available to offer guidance and advice. I would like to thank Britfort Academy for giving these valuable classes. Once again, thank you Jessina ma'am for giving this motivation, and you inspired me a lot. Thank you.